Hi guys, welcome back. Sylvia here with Sylvan Starlight Creations, and I'm here to do another little demo for you and also do a little giveaway and show you about some of the freebies that we're going to do with our Gelli Plates and Brayers. So for every purchase of a Gelli Plate and Brayer with us for the month of July, you will get a free piece of punchinella. I'll show you how this works. And you'll get a free piece of eyelash yarn. Beautiful textures in your prints. And for the first 20 people who place an order between now and July 22nd, you will be entered into a drawing to win this little set of mini comb tools. It is a great little set. Soft silicone tools create beautiful textures and fun things on your prints. I will be doing a demonstration of those too. So without any further ado, let me turn the camera around and so you can see how everything works. All right guys, thanks so much again for tuning in, and I will see you at the end of this video. Bye-bye. Hi guys, welcome back. I am actually getting ready to show you a little bit of a quick demo on how I use my mini comb tools and some of the other freebies that are going to come when you order your Gelli Plate with us. So let's go ahead and get started. I've made some simpler plain backgrounds so that there's a higher contrast so you can actually see how the tools work. And here we go. Ready? I'm going to start out with this nice deep red. And I've still got a little bit of blue paint on my brayer, which is perfectly fine. That'll just add a little bit more interest to my design. I would normally do like a mid-range color before I jumped to this dark color, but I wanted you to be able to see how it works. So this is the first tool. This is the one with this 3 different size square ends. And let's go ahead. I'm going to take one of my prepared backgrounds. Press that in. And isn't that neat? I think that's awesome. Okay, so there's so much paint still left on my plate that I'm actually going to pull, actually, you know what I'm going to do? It's about ready to dry here. I want to show you guys something kind of neat. We're just going to use, we'll use this color here. That might be a little too much. Sorry, my brayer's a little loud, but it does the job. And I'm going to take a clean piece of paper. And for those of you that are wondering, I am using simple copy paper here. Nothing fancy. You can use anything though. You can use book paper, hymnals, cardstock. So isn't that cool? I think that's neat. Alright, so I'm going to put this aside. And there's still a lot more paint left on there. I must have used a little too much when I did this red, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and show you the next color anyway. Oh, deli paper is great for making collage paper. Like I said, cardstock, mixed media paper, anything, pretty much anything. If it's paper-ish, you can pull a print on it. You can even do it on fabrics and stuff. But I think the fabric has to be 100% cotton for it to really adhere Don't hold me on that. Some of the others know better than I do. But all right, this one is 3 different sides once again, and we'll go ahead and get started. I'm actually a fan of doing this. I think it creates a really cool effect. Okay, and this is where the magic happens. And you can see the different textures that comes create. Once again, I think I had a little too much paint on my plate. We're just going to pull a flat print here. Put a little pink on there. It's really warm in here, so the paint is drying really quickly. Still pretty. And one more comb. Let's see. I'm going to actually wipe my plate really quick so you can see a better contrast to it. And this is just a baby wipe. You don't have to. It actually creates cool effects to leave the paint on your plate, but I want you to be able to see the full effect of what I will be doing, and letting the paint just continue to layer on here is not showing it up as well as I'd like to. So we are going to clean it off this time. Come on. And we're just going to roll that out. And this one's got even more unique designs. So, to that one. Another like that. And like that. These are nice soft silicone, so they don't damage your plate. You don't want to use anything hard or sharp, because it could mar the surface of your plate. And you can see it there. Aren't those neat? Alright, so next I am going to show you some of the freebies that are going to come with every plate and brayer purchase. You are going to get, yours is going to be clean, but you're going to get one of these punchinella stencils, and you'll get a little bit bigger piece of eyelash yarn. So let me show you real quick what you can do with those. Blue. right, and this is the punchinella. Just gonna lay it down. And let's do this piece of eyelash yarn. And just to keep things fun, let's grab some bubble wrap. And this is what my paper looks like now. I'm going to press around pretty good when you're trying to get impressions through or from something like that. Isn't that cool? I love that. That is just so cool. Right. And let's check out the fabulousness it leaves behind. Let's see if it's still wet. This is just a plain piece of paper. So I really should have used one that had a background on it, but even still, I mean, wouldn't that be a beautiful background page for art journal? That could be the base. I've got my stuff standing on that, and I've got a nice subtle background, but either way, just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And you get, with every purchase of either size of our Gelli plates and brayers, you are going to get eyelash yarn and punchinella free included in the package. If you come in and purchase it in the store, same thing, you'll get them free. And the first 20 people that purchase a Gelli plate and brayer from us will be entered into a contest to win their own set of the mini combs. This is a $10.99 value, and you will win it for free. That is between now and, what did I say, July 22nd. So anyone who purchases either size Gelli plate and a brayer from us will get the freebies and will be entered into a drawing to win one of these. So exciting stuff, guys. I do want to show you one additional thing though. So say I want a little bit of that punchinella thing, but I don't want it on my whole page. I want to create different textures and things here. So I just want some dots in the corners of my page. Right, so let's get some paint on here. I'm going to set my punchinella down, and it's really easy, guys. You just press that piece of the plate or of the paper into what you want to do, and see, now I've just got it on that corner, and I could do whatever else I want throughout the page and create different textures and patterns and stuff. It's just another option for you. So don't forget, links will be in the description below if you would like to purchase the Gelli plate and the brayer from us, and any of the others. We've got tons of stencils and all that good stuff coming. And I do have lots of classes planned with these. I'm just waiting on more supplies to be able to do the classes. But links are in the description below, and I hope you guys win. So remember, you'll win this set of 3 mini combs. They are nice soft silicone, won't damage your plate. Thanks so much, guys. I will see you next time. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for stopping by, for playing with us, and giving us a few minutes of your time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It will help us get seen and found. And check us out on social media, of course, Sylvan Starlight Creations. And yeah, thanks. See you later. Bye.